So a month ago, I packed my life into 2 suitcases and a backpack and flew to London, England. Why? Because I'm studying abroad at Oxford. And get this, it's my first time ever being in the UK. Living in another country can be difficult and weird, and sometimes you just feel homesick. But there's also something in seeing the beauty of another part of the world. It changes you, for the better. And let me tell you, it's been a wild time. The Channel Islands were amazing. I flew to Guernsey and I thought I was back in California.
Holy crap!
The coastline and the cliffs and the clear blue sea reminded me of Big Sur, of the Pacific.
Wow.
It reminded me of home. And then there was Bath. I took a train there to see the relics of the Roman Empire still standing today.
You can kind of see it down there. The water is hella dirty.
Now, how can you go to England without having some Shakespeare sprinkled in? I went to the Bard's cottage, frolicked in his wife's garden, and almost missed a train.
Oh, look at it. We made it, you guys.
What are the odds they get?
I'm miles away from home, in a country I once strange and beautiful.
Exploring.
Traveling can teach you a lot, but I guess the most important lesson is that it teaches you to trust yourself, to be confident, to go on solo adventures, to experience a new city in a way only you can. And what's more beautiful than seeing the world in your own eyes, to take on life in a special way that only you can do. So here's to adventure. And since we're in London, cheers to endless exploring.